Alright, so we got this 2016 Acura MDX. It got smashed on here. We have a little bit of damage, frame damage in here in the panel, but not too bad actually. So it can be just pulled back with the frame machine, you know. Look at this, it's fully loaded, 2016. These things go for a lot of money. It's not bad at all. It's very nice, it's fully loaded. Got the screen. It's a 7-seater, it's very clean. Yeah, this is a nice car. I'm gonna go underneath, see how things look down there, any rust. Underneath you have your typical rust, nothing out of common. The boots looks fine. Let's see the other side. Yeah, same case here, typical rust, but overall looks good. And here we go into the bidding war. This is always an exciting time, but be careful not to pay for what you're bidding on. You don't want to overpay. So after going back and forth, I finally won this for $9,500. With fees and everything, it came to about $11,500. I hoped to get this way cheaper, but it is what it is. And now I'm at this junkyard looking for the doors. Hopefully we find some good ones. I got the MDX and I got both doors for $1,500. It's been a long day, but I managed to make everything happen in the same day. I'm gonna go drop it at the body shop and we're gonna call it a day, and he's gonna do the rest. We just got the vehicle fixed, and look at that, finally done. Just got out from the shop yesterday, completely fixed. So we're gonna need to do something about this. Now to the second part, we're just cleaning this dirty interior. It got completely dusty from the body shop. This is something I really hate. All right, let's get it going. I clean it up. I did clear the headlights. They look brand new right now. All right. So after cleaning, the car looks phenomenal. Here's the inside. Turned out pretty good. Cleaned up pretty nice. Just to show you before and after the headlights restoration. This is before, you can see a little foggy, and this is the after. Huge difference. Here's a quick breakdown of everything I spent on the vehicle. I bought it for $11,000. With everything, it came to $16,159. Out the door, everything fixed. Okay, here is the finished product. Completely detailed. It looks nice right now. It looks nice. It smells nice. With that, the project is done. It's basically ready to get listed for sale. This project, this car, I didn't do much because it had frame damage and I don't have the tools to do that. But most of the cars I fix myself to keep the profit. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and like, and I'll see you in the next one.